gonna need you to walk a little better than that. You feel like you're pulling a little bit. Come on, man. Come on. You gotta get out there. Can't have you in the people's yard. I'd rather take you over here. Wait. See if any cars coming. Any cars coming? He looking. You looking like he see who you see. You want to see a bird, that's it. Come on. Come on, Pepper. You gotta walk now. Doing all this extra pulling. I know you gotta use the bathroom. You look like you're blending in with these leaves over here. There you go. Peeing again. What you doing, son? You're lucky at. I'm gonna leave that scent. Who you looking for, boy? You trying to look for Lucky? I don't think my boy out here today. Lucky ain't out here today. Pee on the tree. You know he like to pee on things. We gonna call him Pepper, aka Mr. P, Mr. Peabody. I ain't trying to walk through that wet. Grass, boy. Come on. So we can get in here in the house on Gracie. See what mama doing. What mama got going on. Come on, get away from that. Go ahead, Pepper. Use the bathroom, man. Gosh almighty. Again, kicking up these people, Moach. Come on, man. Come on. You already did enough. Come on. You already did enough. Come on, boy. You about to run into my legs. Make me fall. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. You want me to take your leash off? Let me take it off. So you can walk upstairs. Come on. Come on. Get away from there, door. Go upstairs. Wait, so you ain't scared this time? Get. Come on, let's go. I didn't mean to do that, I'm sorry. These shit you right in the head. Don't even think about it. Don't you think about it. Come on. Come. Nope. You play too much.